Case number 1, mom demands more child support while son lives with dad. Welcome to today's courtroom drama. We're diving into 3 intense legal cases involving custody, child support, and parental responsibility. Get ready for shocking twists, jaw-dropping revelations, and justice being served.
All right, Mr. Eugene, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Honestly, Your Honor, I don't even know why I'm here. She wants an increase in child support, and I've been keeping our son for the past 3 years.
All right, so that's why you're here.
I guess.
Yeah.
I guess, Your Honor.
You've been keeping your son for the past 3 years. Are you paying child support or are you paying child support?
I'm paying child support.
Okay, so that's why you're here. You're trying to get off child support.
Yes, she wants an increase.
He live with you. Okay, I'll ask her to make sense of that for me. But for now, how old is your son?
10.
10 years old, lives with you. You take care of his expenses and everything like that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Health insurance?
Yes, Your Honor.
You mind if I move over to her really quick? Because I need to make sense of why she filed this in court asking for an increase.
Well, I mean, I do buy things for my son, and it's expensive. And
all right, so does other parents. They buy things for their children,
Yeah.
and it is expensive.
Yeah.
So why are you here?
Well, I have a business to run, and I need his help in order to buy these things for our son.
Wait a minute. Your son lives with him.
Yes, now he does, yes.
Now, as in 3 years ago?
3 years.
That's not now. No, it's not. 3 years he's been living with him.
Yes.
So you want an increase in child support
Yes.
to do what exactly?
To help my son, to buy things for my son.
Right. You work, right?
Yes.
Where do you work?
I have my own business. I'm a caterer.
Caterer. How much are you making in your catering business?
About 400,000.
400 what? You came here to waste my time.
I make $40,000 a year, Your Honor.
You came here to get an increase in child support so that you can pay for your catering business.
No.
So why are you here?
Just for my son, of course.
Right, but maybe you're missing it. It's going like this,
Well, he
going
wants
over
to
your
stop
head.
paying the child support, and I don't think that he should stop paying. I think he
He
should pay more.
should stop paying if the child has been living with him for the past 3 years. Under your original...
Mr. Eugene has been caring for his son for 3 years, covering all expenses, yet the mother demands more child support. The courtroom is tense as the judge starts questioning her motives.
Under your original court order, Mr. Eugene, give me a second. Under your original court order, you were the person that the child was living with,
Yes.
not him.
Yes.
So that means you voluntarily relinquished conservatorship over to dad.
Yes.
Right. So dad should be the person receiving child support from you.
From me.
That's what I said. That doesn't sound right to you?
No, ma'am.
Why doesn't that sound right? Because you're the mom.
Yes. And I have to buy things for my son, and I can't do it
He
alone.
buys things for your son.
Well, I need to do that too.
You make $400,000 a year, ma'am.
Well, I have employees and things to pay. I mean,
Okay.
I don't think that he should stop paying the child support.
What do you think he should do?
Pay me more.
Pay you more
Yes.
while your son lives with him?
Well, I still see my son.
Okay, yeah, but
Like maybe once a month, you know, maybe.
Oh, I see him more often than that.
Maybe
No,
once a month.
I see him more often than that.
what's more often than that?
Well, once a week, maybe. I mean, when I have my business all day, and then I do extra catering in the evenings, and so I'm just really busy.
Mm-hmm.
But when I'm not, then I do go visit with my son. Not once a month.
once a month.
No.
Maybe.
How many other children do you have that are under the age of 18?
I don't have any other children.
Okay. Keep talking, I'm listening. I'm just taking down some notes.
I've said my piece. I wanted an increase in the child support.
Who pays health insurance?
I do.
How much is it?
200.
Is that for your son only, or that includes you?
That's just my son.
Okay.
I think what this started from is she may be a little upset. I'm dating her sister.
Why didn't you lead with that?
Yeah.
I don't know. I probably should have left with that, child. But
You probably should have.
yeah, I think it's some resentment going on.
You think?
Maybe, could be. I
There
guess.
are plenty of women in the world. You didn't have to go for my sister.
I mean, that is kind of outside the scope of why we're here, but she does raise a good
I
point.
mean,
You see why she's upset.
I'm a music teacher. Like, she plays the clarinet.
Oh, okay. So y'all been hitting notes together.
Yeah, exactly. you know,
Oh,
so-
okay.
How long have y'all been hitting notes together? That's the question.
For that's
yeah,
that's
a
not to
long
be discussed today. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
You brought it up.
400,000. Okay.
You brought it up.
Well, I mean.
Well, nobody would be paying child support because we'd still be together if you weren't with my sister.
Okay, look. You know what it is. Okay. You know
Yeah,
what
you
it
know
is.
what it is.
And
I think everybody in here knows what it is.
so that's all I'm saying.
Miss-
It didn't work out, Your Honor.
Yeah, Mr.
She-
Eugene,
she-
I understand why she a little sour though.
Some things just
Her
happen.
sister?
Things just happen.
Mom claims she needs additional money, but the judge quickly uncovers the truth. Custody was given to the father years ago. The ruling? Dad's child support stops, and mom must now pay her fair share. Justice prevails.
You
Y'all
wasn't there.
just didn't happen.
You wasn't there.
Mr.
I was trying
Eugene,
to
Mr.
build my
Eugene.
business up
Excuse me,
for
ma'am.
us.
Excuse me, Mr. I do understand her frustration. Mr. Eugene, y'all just did not, by coincidence, fall on those notes, okay? That's not what happened.
I mean,
That's not what happened. Music did not lead you two together. That is wrong.
it kind of did. It was kind of like fate. I teach music. She plays the clarinet. You wasn't
Okay.
there.
I was working,
Okay.
trying to give us a nice life.
Okay. Well, why am I supporting the child for 3 years?
Because I had the child in the first place. You're the one that took him and then.
You know, I'm going to go ahead and make my ruling because I see this is a little deeper, well, a lot deeper than just child support. And
It ain't deep, y'all.
no, it is deep.
Yeah.
It is
did
definitely
wrong.
deep. So this is what we're going to do. We are going to stop Dad's child support, okay? His child support should stop. You voluntarily relinquish the child to him, okay? So that means the rights that you had in terms of the child living with you primarily, you gave that up 3 years ago. So it's only fair that Dad stop paying child support. I'm
only
going
fair.
to deny your request for an increase, okay? Dad did make a request too, to put you on child support. So you will start paying child support today. With your income, you're capped, right? In Texas,
so I'm
we
gonna
have
be
a cap.
paying him money
Yes,
while he's over there with my sister.
pretty much, yes.
And our son. Our son.
Okay, Mr. Eugene,
to stop.
Mr. Eugene, that's not cute. Stop that. You do not have to take the knife and turn it. It's already
am his
bad
mother,
enough, okay? Don't
not
do
her.
that.
Then
Don't
be
do
there.
that.
I'm trying to be there.
Okay, as I was saying, he made the request for you to pay child support. In Texas, you're capped at $9,200 for your net resources. Your monthly child support obligation giving you credit for the one, well, not credit, you have one child. So it's based on 20% of your income. That is going to bring your child support obligation to $1,840. Now, he also testified that he pays health insurance for your son. If you can get private health insurance, you do not have to reimburse him. But until that happens, you're going to be reimbursing him that $200. That brings your monthly obligation to $2,040 a month.
That's more than he was paying me.
He makes $40,000 a year, and as you can see, he likes music, okay? So,
He likes people to play.
right, he likes all of that.
Just one.
So we're just going to
Okay.
move forward, and then that's what your child support amount is going to be to him, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, do you have any other questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, do you have any other questions, sir?
No, thank you, Your Honor, for serving justice today.
You're very welcome. Although I must say, I can't believe you did that.
I'm sorry.
Smile like he's proud of it.
I'm not proud. She plays the clarinet with it really
Can you
well.
stop with the clarinet? I
All
don't care
right,
about the
well,
clarinet.
you know what? I don't want to hear any more music today. You both are dismissed.
Case number 2, Mom. Chooses Miami, trips over her child.
Miss Williamson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Okay, so we're here today because we both have a child together and we both have split custody, but lately she has not been around. She has not been able to help me with the child. She's been doing her own thing and I need child support.
I've been working.
That's not an excuse. This is your
definitely
child that
is.
you gave birth to, that
gonna
I
bring the money?
adopted, and I'm spending more
I
time
gotta
with her
pay
than
this
you are.
insurance. I got a lot to pay for. Help y'all out, take care of the baby. Just because I'm not around, that mean I'm bringing in the money.
When's the last time you helped us out?
I pay the insurance.
The baby gotta eat. The baby need clothes.
Did I need to leave? I mean, I have to be here because I'm working, but if you all needed to keep talking, I could just excuse myself. But what did y'all want me to do?
I need help with getting child support because
Okay.
I'm not gonna do this with her.
So now that I can help you with, because the going back and forth and all of that, that's not going to help your case, okay? So I understand your frustration, and I do have the court order that you provided, and it looks like child support was not ordered because you all agreed to have split custody,
Right.
Did.
okay? So that's changed,
Yes.
all right? How often, like how long has this been going on?
For about 3 months now.
3 months?
That ain't easy.
Neither is mine, obviously, right? You'd agree that my job is not easy, right?
I mean, look
probably
pretty
not,
easy
right?
sitting down. I could do that all day.
Oh, okay. Right. We'll come back to you, no worries. Now, she is working. You're having the child, I'm assuming almost 100% of the time?
Correct.
Okay. All right. You adopted the child?
Yes. I
Okay.
adopted the
How
child.
old is this child?
She's only 6.
6? What is her name?
Her name is Sage.
Sage. Oh, she sounds so cute.
She is.
Miss Williamson brings her case. With split custody, the father has been caring for 6-year-old Sage nearly full-time. The mother's frequent trips and social media activity raise questions.
Now, is there anything else you wanted me to know before I move over to her?
Her reasoning when I asked her why she isn't spending amount of time that she's supposed to, since we do have split custody, is she's working. But when I go on her Snapchat and her Instagram, she's being flued out and in Miami, but yet you don't have time to spend with your child.
Why you all on my social media anyways?
Ma'am, everybody is on your social media, okay? So let's not act like you don't know everybody is looking at social media.
Well,
And you being, what do you say, flued out?
Yeah, she's being flued out.
flew out for the week. No, I'm sorry. I be at work and it be a lot going on. Y'all know what I have to deal
are
with
you
as a flight
working
attendant
when-
with all these crazy people.
Okay, so are you being flued out with your job as a flight attendant, or are you doing other things that
I'm working
require
as
you
a
to be away
flight
from work?
attendant. I mean, sometimes, occasionally, I may have a little flued out situation, but most of the time I be working hard. I pay this $175 insurance. Like at least I'm doing something. I do
Congratulations.
my part.
You pay a whole
$175.
$175 in health insurance.
What you mean?
What do you want for that?
Baby could be on Medicaid, but
Oh, you know what? That is a good point, but that's beside the point. At the end of the day, this is both of you all's child, which means that Sage is both of you all's responsibility. And you are going to pay child support. Since, I'm just sitting up here,
ooh.
This is what I do. So how much money do you make a year? And make sure you're being honest, because I have your documents in front of me.
About 79,000.
I couldn't hear you.
About $79,000 a year.
$79,000 a year, and you want to be flued out and not give her anything for Sage? You came here to waste my time. I'm about to go ahead and read these numbers off to you so you can pay child support.
Child support?
Yes, ma'am. Child support. That's right.
After reviewing income, expenses, and evidence, the judge orders the mother to contribute fairly to child support and health insurance. Sage's well-being is the priority, and responsibility comes first.
I have to pay insurance too?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
need to?
Yes, ma'am. You're going to pay. Yes, ma'am. You're going to carry the health insurance and you are going to pay child support. So, based on your financial documents and what you just testified to, $79,000 a year for salary, that makes your gross $6,583, brings your net down to $5,157.12. All right. How many children? Just Sage? Sage is the
Just
only
Sage.
child? Okay.
That I birthed for 9 months.
That you don't take care of.
You ain't carried for 9 months.
Excuse
You know
me.
what it is
Excuse
to carry
me.
a baby for 9
Okay,
months?
Because a dog had a baby, that don't make it the mother.
Excuse me. Believe I'm the judge. You all do not need to address each other. You have enough issues as it is, okay? So,
That's why we ain't
again,
together now.
I
That's
need
why I
you.
be cheating now.
I need you to pay attention
Girl.
to since you like to be flued out and stuff. I need you to pay attention to these numbers as they fly your way, okay? So, $5,157.12 is your net. One child, they bring your child support obligation to $1,031.42. Well, let me go ahead and give you a credit for that $175 that you.
Thank you.
It's not going to be much, so don't thank me yet. It's not. So you credit for the 175.65. Oh yeah, that didn't really help you out none. So, I mean, your child support obligation is still going to be close to what I just told you. So $5,057.12, one child. Child support obligation is $1,011.
A month?
That's what I said.
$1,000?
Yes, ma'am.
That's the whole rent payment.
You got it.
That's what I'm saying. You got it.
You got it. You being flued out.
Okay. Well, did you get what I just said? Did you got
I
that?
heard you.
Oh, okay. Is there anything further?
No.
All right. Did you have anything further?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. You all are dismissed.
Case number 3. Mom tries to put dad on child support but gets shut down.
Okay. Miss Katrina, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, our son Caleb James, he just turned 8, and he started school, and already he started having school issues in school. He's been getting into fights with other kids. He's been arguing with the teachers. He's not been doing his homework, and this is completely new behavior. He was an A and a B student, and now his grades are also dropping. And I think it has to do with what Bubba here is doing at home.
Okay. Well, what is Bubba doing at home?
So he's a truck driver, and during our marriage, there were a lot of issues with that. A lot of, strange women, of alcohol use, and I think that hasn't stopped. And now I think that that's affecting Caleb.
I don't think so.
Excuse me, sir. Once it is your turn, I will come to you. That's the first thing. Second thing, those loud outbursts, they will not be tolerated. Continue.
Thank you. So during the marriage, there were a lot of issues with infidelity, with drug use, with alcohol use, and he's still doing the same job. He's still driving the same routes. And so I think he's still bringing these same people into Caleb's life, into his home with our son.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Before I move over to him?
I don't know.
Okay. Can I call you Bubba?
Sure.
Bubba, is what she's saying true? You cheated on her, you're using drugs, you're drinking alcohol, you're doing all of this while you're transporting things in an 18-wheeler?
No. I actually work 1 week on, 1 week off.
Okay.
So we have shared custody. So
All right.
the week that I work, she has custody of Caleb.
Okay.
The week I have off, I have custody of Caleb.
Miss Katrina claims her son Caleb is struggling due to the father's alleged lifestyle issues. Accusations of alcohol, drugs, and infidelity surface in court.
I do not drink while I drive, no.
All right.
I drink occasionally when I'm home. It's not too bad, but with,
Well, where would she be getting that from?
well, I have a lot of female clients that I do transport for. So she thinks that I'm, getting these jobs because I'm sleeping around, which she's very promiscuous herself, so
Oh.
yes. Caleb has told me that she has brought in a lot of men around him and he doesn't know who they are.
Okay. So Caleb is just seeing a lot from the both of you, sounds like.
Maybe not.
Caleb, he's 8. Who pays health insurance for Caleb?
I do.
All right. How much do you pay?
$75 a month.
Okay. And Miss Katrina, you're looking for him to pay child support
I am.
based on what?
So when COVID hit, I lost my job and I just haven't been able to find a comparable job to that. And I was doing engineering.
And you can't find anything comparable during COVID
No.
in engineering?
No. So my degree was in chemical engineering.
Okay.
Finding have been mechanical engineering, electrical engineering. I haven't found something that's comparable to what I've been doing.
Okay. I don't know much about engineering, but how much more different is it?
I think it's pretty different.
You think, but how different is it?
I don't know because I haven't done mechanical engineering or electrical engineering, so I don't have a basis to compare the two.
What do you think about that?
I just think she's lazy.
Oh, well, you said it.
Because with her, she has a degree in engineering. Chemical engineering.
Wait a minute, stop right there.
The father denies the claims and proves shared custody. The judge rules that child support from the father is unnecessary and orders both parents to share health insurance costs equally. Caleb's best interests remain central.
Degree in engineering.
Yes, that's how I got my job in chemical engineering.
Right. So you can't do a general engineering job with that degree?
It's not comparable to what I was doing.
That wasn't my question. Have you looked for jobs that will pay you for general engineering?
Yes.
All right. How many interviews have you gone on?
3 or 4 in the last 6 months.
3 or 4 in the last 6 months, and they all said no to hiring you?
Yes.
That's interesting. Over here, you said 0?
Mm-hmm.
How do you know, sir, that she hasn't gone on any of these job interviews?
I have a friend that she knows, and he's told me
Oh.
because he's been sleeping with her.
Oh, okay. Well, that's none of my business. Has nothing to do with me. Miss Katrina, I haven't heard a single reason why I should place this man on child support. He testified and said that he works 1 week on, 1 week off. He has Caleb during his week off. He pays health insurance, assuming, well, not an assumption, what he said, that when he's on, you have Caleb. I'm assuming all of that's the truth, right?
Yeah, we do have that 1 week on, 1 week off, but with these behaviors that Caleb's having, it's just, he needs treatment, he needs help, he needs counseling, he needs something to help.
And I don't disagree with you there. I do believe that if he is having behavioral issues and everything like that, maybe seek some type of therapy, play therapy, maybe individual counseling, maybe you all could do family counseling, but that is not a legitimate reason to place this man on child support. So I'm going to deny your request today to place him on child support. And in addition to denying that request, that $75 that he's paying, I'm going to have you split it. Since you share custody, you need to share costs too. So $37.50 is what you will be reimbursing him for health insurance every month. Is there anything further?
No.
Is there anything further, sir?
No, ma'am.
Okay, well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
3 cases, 3 different rulings, 1 clear message: the law protects the children. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, and subscribe for more shocking courtroom drama and real-life legal stories.